Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Rancilio Rocky burr grinder. This machine was brought in because the customer was trying to replace the burrs and it stripped the screw, and so we had to drill it. Gosh, I don't know if you can kind of see, it's kind of blurry. There it is. And yeah, we had to drill it and extract it. And so we did that and then replaced it with another screw, and this is the old burr. We took it out, we went ahead and threw the new one in that the customer brought in, and we reassembled everything, and here it is. And right now it's pretty much about the finest grind setting where the burrs touch. As the burrs become seasoned and have light wear, it'll be able to go a little finer, but even so, this is beyond espresso fine right here, so it's ready. All right, let's do some grinding. You can see it's not having any trouble at all. You can see how it's clumping there. This is a real good fine grind. Pinch it and it should hold kind of its form. Yep. This is good. Alright, well, there it is. Screw extracted, new burr installed. Rancilio Rocky. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.